Ridhim Bhardwaj is joining me on the phone line with more details on the story. Ridhim, what exactly has the CBI said?
Well, Tamanna, what the CBI was clarifying in the court was that sometime back when they had said that there was no coercion that had been seen by Dayanidhi Maran, they had not at that time meant he was given a clear chit by them. In fact, they said there were certain inordinate delays, undue favors that were given by the Department of Telecommunication at that time, and clearly that pointed fingers at Maran. They were not so much in favor of giving out names, but very clearly the point that the CBI was today making in court, Tamanna, was that in fact they had not given any clean chit to Dayanidhi Maran. He was not above the investigations that they were conducting. The several other points also made by them. In fact, in the court, we saw an open war that broke out between the CBI and Prashant Bhushan, the petitioner. On the one side, the CBI attacked him for having access to secret documents. On the other side, Prashant Bhushan stated that these documents were on the website of the telecommunications. That's the second big thing that happened in court today. And the third big thing that happened is the Supreme Court said they would consider whether there should be a committee that should be formed to look into the matter of the CBI investigation. This is clearly spelling some sort of a trouble for the CBI, which is trying to say that it's not dishonest in the way it's carrying on the investigation. After Prashant Bhushan filed an affidavit saying the CBI was less than honest in its investigation, in fact, it's that affidavit that clearly mentioned that Dayanidhi Maran is being given a clean chit. That's the affidavit that's filed by Prashant Bhushan that mentions that the CBI is not doing enough to see the investigations against Maran. To that, the first thing the CBI did in the Supreme Court today, Tamanna, is to go ahead and say, we are carrying on the investigation against Dayanidhi Maran. There are certain undue favors that have been given by the DOT during the time when he was the minister. There were certain undue favors that were taken at the DOT time. So clearly keeping all that in mind, the CBI very categorically today said there is no clean chit that has been given to Dayanidhi Maran yet.